Come test drive the 2011 INFINITI M37. INFINITI M37, the unmatched luxury of the human touch. The M37 is fitted with a 330 horsepower, 3.7-liter V6 and a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.